I'm taking moisturizer first. So take whichever moisturizer you use. First, plain face. After applying moisturizer, I'm applying rose powder, Lakme rose powder. While purchasing a rose powder, get a shade that suits your face color. Apply it evenly throughout your face, especially the under eyes and some black pigmented areas. Apply it very well. So the whole set comes with a puff. You can use that would do. It's simple look for college sake, so I don't think you need heavy makeups or heavy under eye covering creams. This would do, because only then it will be very subtle. Make sure you apply evenly all over your face and also your neck. You can apply to the neck too, so there won't be color difference for your face and neck, but here I am showing only the face. Yes, hope I am evenly done with powdering. So after this curling of your eyelashes, you can do if you want, else don't want. I'm not doing it. Then I'm going for Kajal. Yes, I'm using MAC. Actually, I've started with MAC. Then in between I will shift to A18 because my MAC is almost over. So I just started. As it was over, I shifted to A18. So I'm showing you what I did with A18, not MAC. I found it a bit hard to kajal looking into the camera. So I made a few mistakes and I corrected it and I managed it. You can see me managing it. By applying again and again, I managed to make it look good. This is the main part. I'm using Nykaa liquid matte. So that's it, based on whichever hairstyle you prefer. If suppose you are a person, just have a catch clip, easy hairstyle. Else if you want to plait your hair, or else if you want to tie a ponytail, you can have a ponytail also. Then this would I prefer this. So just have a catch clip. Then if you are a bindi person, keep bindi, or else don't keep bindi. If you doesn't like keeping bindis, then you can be normal like this. I am a bindi person, so this is Nykaa eyeliner. I am using this as my bindi. So I have bought brown shade. You You can also try this as eyeliner if you want, you can. But for regular use, for colleges, regularly I don't prefer this. Sometimes I do. So that's it. So normal college look is ready. Simple and elegant college look is ready.